beautiful artists, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Imen. I'm giving a tutorial drawing video for kids and beginners. Just before we start, I want to say thank you so much for who subscribed to my channel. We will arrive soon 300 subscribers. I'm so excited about this number. Thank you so much that you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put the button here, I think so, from here, and you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook if you like that. And yeah, let's go. Guys, just before we start, I wanna explain something. I'm sorry if you see me have a problem in saying words and talk, because I'm really facing a problem. It's not only a problem, it's a big problem. I have like we say we call it here phobia. I don't know in English what we call it, but I have a phobia to talk in front camera. I'm facing the death. I'm dying. Did you know, guys? I don't know. I'm so afraid to talk in front camera like this. I don't know why. And I'm alone in the room. It's look like I get crazy. I talk to myself. I don't know. So guys, sorry if I talk, if I say, sorry, you see, if I say wrong words or I can't speeches, I think so, to speak it. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, let's go.
A few moments later.
Let's start our video. So guys, today we'll learn how to draw penguin, and if you're interested to learn more about animals drawing, I will put the playlist here, tutorial drawing playlist. I will put it here if you like to see other drawing for animals like this behind me. You can see it all my videos, and if you like it, don't forget subscribe and like, and you can follow me in Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, let's go to our studio.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you, you keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. Sunday, feel so bittersweet knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. Tasty. You on a Sunday, feel so bittersweet knowing I can live. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase. 'cause it tastes like candy. I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you, you, you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause it tastes like candy. Sunday, feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause it tastes like candy. Tasty. You on a Sunday, feel so bittersweet, knowing I can live. You taste like candy, eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase. 'Cause it tastes like candy. I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you, you, you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause it tastes like candy.
So guys, we are at the end of the video. I wish this tutorial was helpful, and thank you so much for your time to see my video, and you at the end of the video to see me now I talk to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like we say every time. Don't forget follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and yeah, see you next video. Bye bye.